Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best firefighter apparel available, the Erazor Bits Firefighter Hoodie. A fire department-themed cotton jacket that combines comfort, style, and a touch of tribute to our everyday heroes. Right out of the box, this hoodie stands out with its 100% cotton fabric, offering a soft, breathable feel that makes it ideal for daily wear. Whether you're out running errands, attending casual events, or simply relaxing at home, this hoodie promises comfort without compromising on style. The pull-on closure and crew neck design add to the simplicity and ease of use, making it a go-to choice for anyone looking for reliable and practical outerwear. One of the defining features of this hoodie is the artwork. The design features a vintage fire truck and pump graphic that beautifully honors the fire service community. The print is vivid and sharp, made with expert screen printing techniques that ensure the colors stay vibrant and resist fading even after multiple washes. This detail makes it more than just apparel. It becomes a meaningful statement piece for firefighters, their families, or supporters. The hoodie is machine washable, which adds convenience to its list of benefits. Care instructions are straightforward. Simply machine wash separately inside out in cold water and avoid bleach to maintain the fabric and print quality. It can be tumble-dried or air-dried, giving you flexibility depending on your preferences. Sizing options are available to fit different body types, and while the fit is designed to be relaxed, it maintains a structured look with double needle stitching, ribbed cuffs on the sleeves, and tapered shoulders. This combination offers durability and a polished finish that sets it apart from typical casual wear. This product comes from a small business, which means when you choose this hoodie, you're not just getting quality gear, but also supporting a smaller brand that values craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. It's an excellent way to show support for both firefighters and small businesses alike. To sum it up, the Erazor Bits Firefighter Hoodie is a stylish and comfortable cotton jacket that pays tribute to firefighters through its thoughtful design and quality construction. It's perfect for anyone wanting to express admiration for the fire service while enjoying a durable and cozy piece of clothing. If you're looking for the best firefighter apparel that blends function with heartfelt tribute, this hoodie deserves a spot in your wardrobe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and insights into the best products out there.